Previously on Primal Tendencies. 4 years ago, I began building a small adobe hut as a primitive living experiment. Despite being so small, I was able to sleep in it, keep warm, cook, and work on many projects. Earlier this year, I decided to leave the old hut and find a location to build a better hut for a new primitive living experience. While exploring this land, I fell in love with the scenery and the wildlife, and I soon began making bricks for the new hut. Now I'm building the walls of this adobe hut, and this project is moving forward. The weather has been great and everything is going well, but I want to finish before the winter rains begin. Building an adobe hut is a big endeavor, but it is worth all the effort. Adobe walls are strong and provide good insulation to hold in heat and keep out the cold. I still have a long way to go, but it is starting to take shape, and I can now see my vision becoming reality.